Well, I can finally use some of this, at least the last of this freaking dirt that I've got here. Straighten out a couple of these guys. See these freaking weeds that come in every freaking day. Every day. That's grass that should be growing in my yard right there. Look at that. It should be on the other side, man. Oh, hey. So, I'm trying to use up a little extra black gold over here. At the exact same time, I'm doing a little bit of weeding. And I just found out something today. Just found out that my ThinkPad is going to be here on Monday and not tomorrow as I expected. That's kind of disappointing because I really wanted to get my hands on it as soon as possible. After all, this is the first time I've had any type of new computer since 2011. And it's not even new. I mean, it's in rough shape, but I can fix it. Would have been nice to get started on it early. So now I gotta resolve my Windows 10 issue because I've got an old tablet that has Windows 10. Maybe I can get the key off of that and put it onto the ThinkPad. Or maybe I don't need the key at all for the ThinkPad. I don't know. I'll figure it out. You know what I always say? I'll figure it out. But I am very disappointed. I'm gonna have to wait until Monday to get my hands on the ThinkPad. So that's all I gotta say right now. I know I keep coming out with drip drabs of videos, but you know, right now I'm in waiting mode. There's nothing I can do. It's out of my hands until this whole thing gets resolved. It's out of my hand, which sucks. I'm not a control freak. I still don't think I'm a control freak. After a couple of years, you realize what is a weed and what is not a weed. Some of the weeds, they're like fakers. They grow right next to the actual plant and look very close to it. The clovers, you always know a clover is a clover. You just toss a clover. But the weeds, some of the weeds, they look like the actual plant. Like a little cousin or something like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna distribute the rest of this dirt around, make these plants a little happy, and wait until Monday. You guys enjoy the weekend. The actual weekend, not the singer. I mean, unless you really like the singer.